Hi guys, this is your Ate Zen from Easy Excel with Zen. Normally, when we maintain a data in our spreadsheet, dates are very important, and these dates are presented in numbers. However, when we create a report, one of the requirements is to identify the name of the day and the name of the month. How to do it the faster way? You don't need to worry because this video is all about how to convert the date into words. So let's proceed to my spreadsheet to show you more. This is our spreadsheet now. The requirement is we have to convert the day and the month into words. Okay? So the date given is February 18, 2021. Now, we will convert this day and month into 4 ways. Okay? So let's begin with the day. We will convert this into short name. Okay, short name is the abbreviated name of the day and abbreviated name of the month. Okay, so we'll start with equal sign and then type text, open parenthesis, then go to the cell of the date that you wanted to convert, separate with a comma, then quotation mark. Since we are converting the day, we will type D. Okay, short name is we have to type 3-letter D. So it doesn't matter whether you type it small letters or capital letters or the combination. The result will be same. Okay. Now, so I will just mix the letters using the lowercase and the uppercase. So D, and D. Okay. Close it with the quotation mark again and close with the parenthesis. So remember, only 3 letters are only 3 times the letter D are repeated in the formula. Okay, so February 18 is Thursday. So we will do it also in month. We'll just copy this. So we'll type again equal sign and then text. Open with the parenthesis. Go to the text or the cell of the date. Okay, separate with the comma. And then open quotation. Now we want to convert the month. So we will use the letter M. Okay, so same procedure with the date. We don't need to worry about the lower and the uppercase. You can mix it or you can do it lowercase alone or uppercase alone. Okay, so I will mix it this time. Okay, then close it with the quotation mark again and close it with the parenthesis. So you can see that Thursday, February 18 or 18 is Thursday and the month is converted also into word. But this is the short name. Okay. So we are repeating only the letter D and the letter M 3 times. If you want to know the full name, we have to repeat these letters 4 times. Okay? So I will just copy the formula. I'll put here in the other cell and we'll just add another D. Then enter. Okay? So you can see the full name of Thursday is given here now. Same way with the month. Okay, we will just copy the formula and we will add another M and then enter. Remember again that when you wanted the short name, you have to type the letter D 3 times, and if you wanted the month into the short name, you have to type the letter M 3 times. If you want the full name, you can repeat it 4 times, and for the month, it's also 4 times. Now, the requirement now is you don't want to convert the day or the month into proper format. You want it into small letters only. So how we will do it? We will just copy the formula, okay, the formula that we have done earlier, and we will just paste it here. Now, we will just add another text in our formula. So this time, or another function in our formula. This time, we will use lower. Okay, lower and then open parenthesis. Since we open a parenthesis here, we have to close another parenthesis at the end. Okay, and then enter. So you can see its full name. Thursday is written in small letters. Okay, how about the month? So we'll just copy again the formula. Okay, and then we will add another function here called lower. Okay, and then open parenthesis. go to the end of the formula and type or enter parentheses. So as you can see, both the day and the month are converted into words using the lowercase or small letters. Now we are on the fourth requirement. We need this day and month converted into capital letters. So earlier it's small letters. Now we wanted into all capital letters. Okay, so we will just copy again the formula, the previous formula. Okay, the full name, copy, and then paste. So earlier we used the function lower for the lowercase. Now we will use the function upper, okay, to make it all capital, and then parentheses at the end of the formula, put also parentheses, and then enter. Okay, as you can see, the word Thursday was written now in capital letters. So same way in the month, okay, we'll just copy this formula from the full name, okay, and then paste it here in the capital letters column, and then we will add the function upper before the formula, add parentheses, and then go at the end of the formula. You have to put also parentheses to close the parentheses that we have added, and then enter. So both the day and the month are converted into words using the capital letters. Okay, so in this video we have demonstrated how to convert the day and the month using the short name. Okay, and we have also converted using the full name with the proper format. We converted also the name into small letters, and the last is we converted the day and the month into capital letters. So I hope this video will help you how to convert the day and the month into your respective spreadsheet, and it will be faster to convert now. You don't have to type, or you don't have to go to the calendar to understand or to know or identify what is the day of this particular day and what are the months. Okay, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they will also understand how to perform this function, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so that you will be notified once a new video is updated. Once again, thank you. God bless everyone. Keep safe.